What a go, my people, welcome back. So on the menu for today, I'm making some pumpkin rice with cook up chickpeas and cabbage. So let's get started. Here I have some freshly chopped pumpkin that I'm going to cook. I'm going to flavor this by adding the usual seasonings: scallion, thyme, onion, ginger, garlic. I'm also going to add coconut milk, water, allspice, and all-purpose seasoning. As usual, I will list the ingredients in the description, so make sure to check that out. So once you've added all the seasonings, cover your pots and allow the pumpkin to cook. At this point, the pumpkin cooked. Now what you can do to enhance the color a bit is to mash some of it out or add some turmeric. Make sure at this point to taste to see if you need any additional salt. If not, go ahead and add your washed rice, followed by some unrefined coconut oil and the scotch bonnet pepper. Once you've added everything to your pot and it's seasoned to your liking, cover and allow it to cook. Now once most of the liquid is reduced, I'm going to lower my heat and allow the rice to further steam. While the rice steams, let's move on to the chickpeas and cabbage. Here I added some unrefined coconut oil. I'm going to saute tomato, onion, bell peppers, scallion, garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper. Once you've allowed this to saute for about a minute, go ahead and add some all-purpose seasoning, followed by the chickpeas. Give this about a minute, then add the cabbage. After adding the cabbage, add some more all-purpose seasoning, pepper, and stir well so everything is incorporated. Once everything is incorporated and you have seasoned this to your liking, put a lid on and give this about 3 to 5 minutes. Cook up chickpeas and cabbage up and running. Simplicity at its best. Pumpkin rice ready as well, so I'm going to remove the scotch bonnet pepper, the thyme stems, and fluff it up a bit. On the side, I have some fried ripe plantains, avocado. I top it off with some dried parsley. This meal is complete. So delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try and enjoy the recipe. As usual, remember to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bless upon yourself.